Alright, welcome back to one of my brief demonstrations on enabling a proxy server inside Microsoft Internet Explorer. So if we go to Start and open up an Internet Explorer, we can see Tools, Internet Options, and Connections. We've got General, Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, Advanced. Then we're going to set up this an internet connection. Click here, dial up, and virtual private network settings. We can add a new VPN or add it to a different network, but we haven't got any today. So if we go to local area network LAN settings do not apply to dial-up connections. Choose LAN settings above for dial-up settings. So if we click on LAN settings, and we make sure that automatically detect settings is ticked. Proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN. These settings will not apply to dial-up VPN connections. So if we make sure this is ticked and make sure our address to this proxy server is in the system, we can add this to our system proxy server. So I just got one here. It's 175.07.146.209. So if we type that into the address bar, so 175, this will be the IP of your proxy server, so don't use this because it might block you from the firewall, but this is where you put your own IP address inside your proxy server to speed up caching. This is a Squid based Linux cloud proxy, so just type in here 175.107.146.209, and there's a default port of 3128. Bypass proxy server for the local addresses. So if you type in a local address like 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.0.138, this will bypass the proxy, so the proxy won't be needed to browse locally on your network. So if we go to advanced, there you go. Just make sure all these are the same and make sure they're configured in the proxy server as well, which is the Squid based program as well. Just to HTTP, secure, FTP, and make sure they're all port 3128 as well. And exceptions, which is just working, it's got local. We can put in there a whole bunch of IP addresses separated with a semicolon. 127.0.0.1, and we've got star.local, and then we can have a whole bunch of ranges that we can include in our exceptions. These are the only two I've got today, so we just click OK and OK and OK. We should be able to close this browser and go back to our desktop. Go to Start, Internet Explorer, and just make sure Tools, Internet Options, Connections, LAN Settings, and just make sure the proxy server is ticked and the correct IP address and the correct port number for this server. Cancel out of that and just verify our website that we can browse. So we just type into, say, 247technology.com.au. Just type in google.com. And that's basically how you enable the proxy server. Thanks for viewing and have a nice day. We'll be doing some more tutorials to show you how to do a few cool things and neat tricks on the computer. Yeah, stay tuned and have a nice day.